Okay, go for it. Here's Peter. What are you doing, Peter? Falling? Why are you falling?
Because he likes it.
Well, let's see if he likes it.
Go left. He likes it. He likes it.
I think so. Let's try it again.
No!